Hello friends, today you will see how the actors in the drama television series I Am Frankie have changed. You will know their original names and age. I will show how they looked then and how they look now in 2021. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's go. Number 1, Alex Hook in 2017, age 15. Alex Hook in 2021, age 19. Born November 5, 2001 in Toronto, Canada. Rocketed to fame in 2017 playing the title character of Frankie Gaines in the Nickelodeon series I Am Frankie. Number 2, Kyson Facer in 2017, age 19. Kyson Facer in 2021, age 23. Born July 25, 1998 in Utah. YouTube cover artist turned actor best known as Andrew on Nickelodeon's I Am Frankie. He initially gained fame for his acoustic cover of Wiz Khalifa's See You Again, which features his sister Jada Facer. Number 3, Sophia Forrest in 2017, age 11. Sophia Forrest in 2021, age 15. Born September 10, 2005 in Florida. Actress who rocketed to fame bringing to life Jenny Gaines in the Nickelodeon series I Am Frankie. Number 4, Nicole Elise Nelson in 2017, age 22. Nicole Elise Nelson in 2021, age 26. Born July 2, 1995 in Texas. Television and film actress who is best known for her role as Dayton Reyes on the Nickelodeon series I Am Frankie. Number 5, Carson Rowland in 2017, age 19. Carson Rowland in 2021, age 23. Born November 3, 1997 in Boca Raton, Florida. Nickelodeon actor who broke through in the role of Cole Reyes for the series I Am Frankie. He previously played Riley Sturgis in Tweet, the series. Number 6, Michael Laurino in 2017, age 40. Michael Laurino in 2021, age 44. Born January 25, 1977 in Appleton. Actor who is known for his work in both stage productions, feature films, and television. He is best known for his recurring role in the Nickelodeon series I Am Frankie. Number 7, Mahana Krishnan in 2017, age 15. Mahana Krishnan in 2021, age 19. Born March 29, 2002 in Plano, Texas. Indian-American Nickelodeon personality who broke through after booking the role of Tammy Gilroy in the series I Am Frankie. Number 8, Carrie Schroeder in 2017, age 38. Carrie Schroeder in 2021, age 42. Born February 1, 1979 in Shepparton, Australia. Notable for her portrayal of Dr. Sigourney Gaines in Nickelodeon's I Am Frankie, she is an actress of the stage and screen with some early screen credits as a guest in H2O, Just Add Water and Neighbors. Number 9. Christy Beckett in 2017, age 16. Christy Beckett in 2021, age 20. Born November 11, 2000 in United States. Singer, dancer, and actress who is best known for her recurring role on the 2017 Nickelodeon original series I Am Frankie, where she plays the character Michaela. Number 10, Armani Barrett in 2017, age 16. Armani Barrett in 2021, age 20. Born November 13, 2000 in San Diego, California. Well known to Nickelodeon fans as Byron Patrick in the series I Am Frankie, he is a multi-talented entertainer also skilled as a singer and dancer. Number 11. Jace Mraz in 2017, age 16. Jace Mraz in 2021, age 20. Born January 14, 2001 in United States. Famous for his role as series regular Robbie on the Nickelodeon TV series I Am Frankie. He debuted halfway during the first season in 2017. Number 12, Tommy Rose in 2017, age 16. Tommy Rose in 2021, age 20. Born February 23, 2001 in Florida, famous for his role as series regular Robbie on the Nickelodeon TV series I Am Frankie. He debuted halfway during the first season in 2017.